Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer and this is Matilda, and we are going to sing a song for you today. It is from New Singing Games for Young Singers, Volume 3 for students in grades 4 and 5, and the song is called Rhythm Magic or Music Broomstick. In an elementary music classroom with lots of students, I have a container with these are rhythm flashcards in the pot today, and we have a wooden spoon that's on your side of the table. Yep. And in a music classroom, we would pass that stick around the classroom as we sing, and that determines who's going to be the person who reads something from the magic pot. And if you have just one student, you can pass the stick back and forth, see where it ends up, or you can just have that student be the person that answers all the questions. But we'll just do it back and forth, I think, between us. I'm going to sing the song for you first. We'll put it up on the screen so you can see it. 1, 2, here I go. There is rhythm magic in the music pot. Reach into the cauldron, tell us what you got. Stirring, 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 stop. 1, 2, tell us what you got. So that is the song. I will sing that, and Matilda and I are going to pass the stick back and forth, and we are going to keep passing until we get to the word stop. That's a good cue, isn't it? Okay. 1, 2, ready, here we go. There is rhythm magic in the music pot. Reach into the cauldron, tell us what you got. Stirring, 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 stop. Aha, I guess who's got it? 1, 2, tell us what you got. So she's going to pull a card out. If you can look at that for a minute, and you can flip that around so we can see it in the video world. Can we see that? I'll put it close. And can you tell us what that is in TTs and TAs? Do you know how that works?
Yes.
There you go.
T, 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 ta.
T, 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 ta. So when the student reads that, I would have the whole class echo back so everybody is involved and being able to see the card. All right? Well, let's see if we can do one more time. Do you want to pass a little faster this time? We kind of went on the half notes, but you can pass it at whatever speed you want. 1, 2, ready, here we go. There is rhythm magic in the music pot. Reach into the cauldron, tell me what you've got. Stirring, 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 stop. 1, 2, tell us what you've got. Ta, 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 rest. Ta,
Ta, ta, rest.
That's how it goes. And so whatever level of students you have in your music classroom with you at any particular time, those rhythms would change in the pot. These are easy Ta and TT ones, but with a grade 4 and 5 class, we would be doing syncopated, syncopa combinations, and we would be doing ticka-tickas and T-tickas and ticka-tees, which I love doing. Those are my favorites, ticka-ticka and T-ticka and ticka-tee. And we would do that with rhythm cards. If you are working on melodic concepts, that's what you would put in your pot. I do have some of those. This time we're going to pass it. I'm going to put it on the table. She's going to pick it up. So now there's 3 people in the circle, and we don't know where this is going to end up. Because you got it the first time. I got it the second time. Where will it be? We don't know. There is rhythm magic in the music pot. Reach into the cauldron. Tell us what you got. Stirring, 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 stop. I didn't take it. She still has it. So you're going to reach into that pot, and you're going to see what you've got. There's only 3, so it's not a big ask there. What have you got? So if this is so me, what have you got? So me, so me. Can you do that?
So me, so me.
Okay, so that is one process that you can do. If the student doesn't know what that is, then you can work on it as a class, or you can model that, and eventually when they see that and recognize that and can sing it, that works. If you want to do an adaptation for this and you don't have cards, I have a music staff and I have little blue flat marbles, and as you get to the end, even if you don't pass the spoon or anything, you can be creating a melodic pattern for your student to sing. So as we're singing, da-da-da-dum, stirring, 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 stop. 1, 2, tell us what you got if you're singing. This is all on this sound. Do, 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 do. That takes the rhythm out of it. It's just a melodic notes, and you can shift that around with whatever melodic tone set you are doing with your students. That is rhythm magic or music magic. What do we call it? What do we call it? What's the name? Rhythm magic or music broomstick. The New Singing Games for Young Singers Volume 3 is obviously the third one in a 3-volume set. Volume 1, Volume 2, and Volume 3 for kindergarten grade 1, ages 5 to 7. That's Volume 1. Grade 2 and grade 3 are in Volume 2, ages 7 to 9. And Volume 3, grades 4 and 5, ages 9 to 11. And those are available at donnaandindy.com. Thanks for spending some time with me, Donna Rhodenizer, and you, Matilda. And we are wishing you a great day making music.
And make music a great
great part
of your day.